Hello, my dear students, class 10. Let's start our English study. Today in English study, I will start our second book, Footprints Without Feet. Okay, Footprints Without Feet. This book I am going to start today. So I hope you have completed your first book, whatever first flight, all chapters I have done. Okay, and students, you have to means need of much more care in this year due to COVID-19. Whole sole responsibility on your soldiers. Okay, whatever we teachers have given instruction, you have to follow it. Okay, so means this book Footprints Without Feet. Today I am going to start the chapter first, a trump of surgery. A trump of surgery means what is victory on a surgery, what happened. You know, in this chapter I am going to tell you summary of this chapter. Okay, but you students have to read that chapters line to line from your books, whatever means about to come in exam. Okay, because it is very important for you. Means, you know, in reading skill, system become change means exact based questions may be come from the books and lines will come from the books. You have to write the question answers from there, and reading skill unseen passage also will come. Okay, so you have to do your exam preparation very well. Okay, let's start the topic. You know, a trump of surgery, this chapter about a dog. It is the story about a dog whose name was Tricky. Okay, Tricky was a dog, a young dog, and it's having a into the hand of a rich mistress whose name was Pranprey. मीन्स ये कुत्ता जो है एक ऐसी मालकिन के हाथ में था जो बहुत ही धनी थी, और जो उस कुत्ते को, ट्रिक्की को, अपने बेटे जैसा प्यार देती थी, उसको बहुत सारी लाड प्यार देती थी, उसका बेड, उसका बिस्तर, उसके खाने पीने का बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देती थी। तो बहुत ज़्यादा सुविधाएं होने पर भी हमें कुछ असुविधाएं हो जाती हैं, जिसको मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ। ओके, इट्स जस्ट हैपन विद द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आल्सो। इफ चाइल्ड बिकम लेजी इन हिज चाइल्डहुड and means being overeating, by the over dieting, overeating, these problems are coming nowadays much more, not in only India, in foreign countries also we are seeing nowadays obesity, fat, these problems increasing, means much more. Okay, okay, let's come on story. Means Tricky was a lovely dog, and Mrs. Pranprey have given much more things for the eating, like chocolate, eggs, meat, burger, much more breads, and cakes. These things she have offered for the eating, and she have not given mild exercise that doggy in his daily routine. Exercise is very important for living fit. Okay, but Mrs. Pranprey, due to much more love and much more nourishment, carefulness about that dog, means having no care about the exercise, she have given overeating that dog, and due to this overeating, that doggy become fat. Okay, and one day also that dog started to vomiting due to overeating, and Mrs. Pranprey become very sad, become very troubled. Once a doctor have advised her, whose name was Harriet. He was a surgeon. Dr. Harriet have advised this doggy become fat day by day, so exercise must should be given him. But Mrs. Pranprey has ignored whatever advice of Dr. Harriet. Okay. After listening the news of Tricky's sickness, Dr. Harriet also means being having much more care about. And Pamphret have admitted that dog under to Dr. Harriet. Then Harriet have admitted Tricky, and he have taken under to his eye care. And one day he have not given anything for eating that Tricky, only means much more water. He have given water much more for drinking him. Next day some empty bowls he have given of another dogs for the licking, and means Tricky have licking that bowls. And after that he have interest, create interest to running with the another dogs, and he had started to running and exercise also. Then next day when Pamphret, Mrs. Pamphret become much more careful, having careful about her dog, then she have called and asked about the Tricky. Then doctor have replied, means nothing. Only he have told that Tricky was recovering very fast. Then Mrs. Pamphret, because so loving doggy that Tricky was her, so she had started to sending wines, eggs, cakes, much more for the Tricky. And then those treat, whatever things sending by Mrs. Pamphret, Dr. Harriet and his partner have taken much more, and they have not given that to Tricky. मीन्स ट्रिकी को केवल उसका खाना कम कर दिया गया, उसकी एक्सरसाइज कर दी गई, जिससे ट्रिकी रिकवर होने लगा. ओके, और जो भी खाने की चीज़ें पैम्परेट भेजती थी उसको डॉक्टर और उनके पार्टनर खुद मिल करके पार्टी करते थे, खाते थे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट मीन्स पैम्परेट वांट टू रिटर्न बैक दैट ट्रिकी एट होम. शी हैड कॉल्ड. देन डॉक्टर हैड रिप्लाइड, means whatever treatment is running, it will take some time. After 15 days Mrs. Pamphret have seen that dog, that was means totally become changed. So muscles he have, and flexible dog, that is active dog become Tricky, become changed. And after seeing the changing behavior of Tricky, Mrs. Pamphret also become very happy, and she have given much more thanks to Dr. Harriet, and Dr. Harriet also become very happy after seeing these things. And at last, it's become, success of surgery. Whatever surgery he have done, doctor have done, means doctor have done nothing, even only exercise he have given. So students, I want to say that the sum up of this chapter is that with the eating of nutritious things and those things whatever we are getting at home, exercise is very important, because without exercise we cannot be fit, we cannot live alone, we cannot look as charming also. So exercise is very important in life, and it's happened with that dog also, not with only men's, for the animals also it is very important. If anyone is doing hard work and eating all things, then no problem. But if anyone is eating, overeating and eating more things and having no exercise, then that person also become dull. Okay, so exercise is very important. And Tricky and his mistress become happy, doctor also become happy. It is the happy ending of this story. So you also take lesson by this chapter. Okay.